Okay, pelajar sekalian, sekarang ada satu soalan cikgu nak awak buat. So, pertama, find the density of the water with the error analysis. This means that error analysis, we need to find out the density, the the uncertainties for the density, and also the percentage of the error. Let's say the water is inside a cylinder. So the water, the depth of the water is 5.2 cm and the diameter of the cylinder is 3.45 cm. And the weight, the mass of the water, let's say this one, the reading is 3.6 kg. Okay, now I give you the smallest reading. The smallest reading on the measuring tools. Okay, for the cylinder. Okay, the reading for the cylinder is plus minus 0.2 cm. And the diameter is plus minus 0.1 cm. Okay. And this, let's say, the reading is plus minus plus minus 0.1 kg. Okay, so this is your homeworks. Okay, this is your homeworks. Then everybody solve this question. So now the rest time. Okay, after that I will off the Zoom. We stop the class here. Then this is the question you need to solve today. Ladies and gentlemen, we discuss the answer. You show me the answer and we discuss on next lesson. Get it, class? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Before I end the class, ladies and gentlemen, bagi siapa yang belum tulis nama pada chat sebagai kehadirannya, sila tuliskan sekarang. Kalau yang dah tulis, kita boleh bersurat. Okay, pergi buatkan soalan ini sekarang. Okay, so thank you very much. Yang belum tulis nama, sila tulis sekarang. After that, you may leave the class. Okay, thank you. Then we continue again tomorrow.
Teacher, thank you, sir.
Yes.
I have question.
Yes, what's your question?
I don't know how to identify the decimal places or significant.
Okay, number of decimal, right? Okay, depends on. Now we look at here. Okay, back to the question. Now we notice that here maximum, if we find the density, that means involve all, right? All the reading, right? So that means that the minimum number of decimal, now first, before we calculate anything, minimum should be here 2, right? Maximum is 2, right? From here, 2 number of decimal. That means that from our calculation, because we involve D, involve the hash, involve the M, so that means that here maximum 2, we extra another 1. That means that sebelum saya tengok, sebelum baca, sebelum buat, okay, yang kita mesti boleh pilih 3 titik, okay, number of decimal. Okay, that means that here is 1, 2 only. So first we choose 3. Okay, this is the first rule. If what we counted the density, let's say is 1, 2, 3.4, 5, 6, 7, that means we use this rule. Okay, that means 3 number of decimal, that means should be 1, 2, 3.4, 5, 7. We chose. Okay. If the first point, 3 number of decimal, the density we calculate is 0. For example, yeah, another case, 0.02345. Hey, this three number of decimal tak boleh pakai already. We cannot follow 3 because if we follow 3, it's still 0.000. What for? Better no need to count. So that means that if like that, here this case we can choose. Okay, depends on the what is that? Depends on what we get from the delta rho. Okay, because we need to compare the delta rho. If not, here you can direct convert it to the 3 significant number. 3 significant number, 0 not countable, unvaluable. First significant number, second significant number, third significant number. As a result, from here we choose it will be 0.000235, for example. Okay, so this is for the second level of case. If not, we use the first. Okay, first method. Okay, understand?
Here understand.
Yeah.
But back to the before this question, the cylinder.
So that means that okay, you do
the
first.
Previous
okay,
question.
Which one? Which part? Area, density, or the volume?
Because when we calculate the area for the uncertainty lah.
Okay, area. This one. So what is your?
Then we calculate the uncertainty, then we get a very long number,
yes.
0.07084, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Then we take 3 decimal places because the maximum decimal places in the question have 2 decimal places, then we add 1.
Yes, correct.
Then after that, we calculate for the volume, the uncertainty. Then we get the uncertainty of the volume have 5.1475248.7 blah blah blah. But we also take 3 decimal places, but in density, for the uncertainty in density, why we take 4 decimal places?
Okay, why I get 4 decimal places? Yeah. Okay, so that means that here you also can choose 3 decimal places, no problem. Okay, that means that the final one, okay, minimum is 3. Okay, selepas pengiraan. Okay, selepas pengiraan, apa-apa saja awak boleh pilih. Saya pilih, okay, tadi saya pilih 4 because this is the calculation already. This is not means that, okay, direct make sure from the instrument. Yang number of decimal ini tidak membawa maksud kepada menunjukkan alat-alat yang kita guna. So if you wish to choose 3 number of decimal, no problem. 4 number of decimal also can. 3 and 4 also can for this one. Okay, but kalau 2 number of decimal, okay, let me see ya. Kalau 2 masih boleh diterima, but better 3 because before that we choose 3, 3, 3, right? Okay, 3 and 4 also can. Okay, untuk ini. Kalau atas, okay, mungkin awak rasa pengiraan awak rasa, mungkin beza sangat. Okay, 3 cikgu pilih 3, saya nak pilih 4, boleh tak? Boleh. If you want to use 4 number of decimal here, can. Okay, so that means that if the more the number of decimal you use, the better the answer is. Tetapi bezanya tak banyak. Contohnya sini saya dapat 14/93 kan. Mungkin awak guna lebih banyak desimal nanti dapat 13 point something. Okay, so sama je. Okay, lebih kurang dia tak beza banyak. Okay, as long as okay here, okay, we use the 3 and the final answer. Okay, final answer. If you want to remain in 3 number of decimal also can. 4 number of decimal also can. Okay, tapi jangan beza sangat. Jangan beza sangat. Okay, so that means that okay according to the practical. Okay, practical sini kita 3 kan, ada 2 kan. Pengiraan kita dapat 3. Okay, biasanya kita tambah 1. Okay, titik perpuluhan. Okay, final answer nak tambah 1 lagi pun boleh. Kalau tak remain pun boleh. Terpulang kepada awak. Maksimum tambah 2 lagi tempat perpuluhan. Maksimum 2 ah. Okay, 4.51 decimal can get max. Okay, 3 also can, 4 also can. But 5 cannot. Too far already. Too much already. Okay, get it? Boleh pelajar?
Okay.
Okay, ada soalan lain?
Other. Then for the new question, with the radius,
Okay.
D is 3.45, right?
3.142 or 22/3. Or you
No, I
direct
mean
use
the
the
new question.
calculator.
No, I mean the new question, the homework.
The new so
Yeah.
the pi depends on you. Okay, you can use 3.142. You can use pi. You can use direct use the calculator or direct use 22/3 also can. Not much difference.
Oh, okay. Then for the radius is
The radius
3.45
divided by
right?
2.
Diameter, yeah.
The
But why
diameter
the
is 3.45,
uncertainty?
right? But the
Yeah.
what's that radius is 3.42 divided by 2.
Yeah. But why the uncertainty only 0.1 or 0.01?
Yes. Thank you very much. Okay, so that means 2 number of decimal. 2 number of decimal, correct. Thank you very much. This should be okay. 2 number of decimal. Okay, 0.01 cm. Okay, ini soalan dia. Okay, 0.01, 2 number of decimal, 1 number of decimal. Okay, 1 number of decimal. Okay, so in case for this 0.2, if the uncertainty is 0.2, that means minimum can make sure 0.2. I can get 5.0, 5.2, 5.4, 5.6, 5.8, and 6.0. Impossible, 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9. Impossible. Understand? Okay, this is the meaning of the minimum scale that can be measured. Okay, so so the rest I think that ini soalan dia. So ini jangan mix ya. Ini jangan mix ya. Okay, this is the explanation just now. Okay, so ini dia. Okay, soalan yang awak perlu selesaikan hari ini. Okay, so any other question? Okay, kalau tak ada, so kita stop dekat sini. Okay, so pergi buatkan soalan sekarang. Okay, thank you very much and see you.
老师，
Yeah.
你这可以send去 group 吗？不会的话可以看。
可以。
OK， 谢老师。
我会 send 过去。OK， 还有其他的问题吗？ada soalan lain？
那个刚刚你的那个 example 可以 screenshot 吗？因为刚刚有点跟不上。
我全部我那个 video 我会 send 去 group。The record, the video recording, I will send to the group later. Okay, any others? Oke, tak ada. Kita off-kan ya. Saya off-kan ya supaya saya boleh sendkan video. Oke, you're welcome. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
you're welcome. See you. Okay, Suha Wen Hui, ada soalan nak tanya ke? 有问题要问是吗？